Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 70 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first let's open the browser that you are using, then mark more icon in right upper corner and go to delete browsing data. Now mark more options and here select everything that you want to remove, then pick the time range and over here just pick the period of time from which you want to remove this data. So you can pick 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time. To perform a full cleanup, mark all time, confirm by tapping on delete data, and that's it, that would be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.